Good morning, it's Freaky Deaky Fridays. It is Friday, February the 21st. Ladies, would you like to know how to go out tonight and achieve this beautiful smoky eye look that I actually have on my right eye? I would love to show you, and I'm going to show you in just 7 minutes, how to use L'Oreal's products and Rimmel London's products and how to incorporate them into some of your luxury products that you actually have as well to achieve the smoky eye. So let's dive in and experience how to do it and how to do it correctly. Now, this is not a total smoky eye because you would actually add eyelashes to it as well, and you would actually rim more into the eye area as well. However, this is a basic smoky eye look. So we are starting with our white eyeshadow powder right on. We've already applied our Le Base Pro from Lancome, which is our eyeshadow base. So we've already applied that. We're coming up all the way to the brow bone. And as you can see, the white is enhancing my brow bone. And that's what we want. We want our brow bone open. Just like so. And that's with the Rimmel White London Powder Eyeshadow. Then what we're going to do is we're actually going to take another eyeshadow brush. This is a 4-palette pan L'Oreal gray eyeshadow palette. It may not still be in this format, but you can still get a gray pan one today. We are actually going to use the darker color here of the gray shade, and we're actually going to pat it onto the lids like so. Now, you guys have always been wondering why I've been talking about luxury brand products, and you can achieve smoky eye looks without using luxury brand products. Just like this look here today is being achieved without luxury brand products. So we're doing the eye, base of the eye, mobile eyelid in the charcoal gray, and we're smoking it around the orbital bone as well, just around that ocular region, right around the bone there, like so. And we're gonna add just a little more. Now, instead of actually like rubbing the shadow back and forth, we're actually patting it like so. All right, that being said and done, we are going to actually take the black eyeshadow, swirl with our crease blender brush, go right into the crease of the eye and around, making sure that you don't have too much of the black on. If you do, tap the excess off. Just like so, and almost like a circular motion. So we're getting there. I'm also coming around the eye area as well with that black color. I am going to line with a black eyeliner too. All right, so it's been 3 minutes and 32 seconds. We're almost done. Using my trusty black eyeliner, I'm going to rim the inner tear duct of my eye, like so. Starting from the outer corner, going into the inner corner. And you want to go into the inner tear duct. Just like so. That being said and done, we are now going to take our mascara. And you can use any mascara that you choose. I don't have a L'Oreal mascara with me today. However, I'm just using the Better Than Sex mascara, which I reviewed yesterday. Applying that liberally onto the lash. It's been 4 minutes and 38 seconds, people. And as you can see, we're doing multiple coats. And we're coming out to the outer corner of the lashes as well. Then we're actually going to do the bottom lashes just with the bottom of the brush. like so. And don't worry if this eye looks different than this eye, and if you have a little smudging happening, because we're going to clean that up at the end. Voila, mascara is placed onto the eye. Using a Q-tip to take any residual traces off. Now what a lot of people do is when they actually do darker eyeshadow is they'll actually put what's called a powder guard on underneath, or they'll actually hold a fan brush, something similar to this, like the Lise Watier fan brush underneath, or this can be used for applying highlighting color or just blending as well. I find it a little too big to go under the eyes, but sometimes just using an eyeshadow brush works. Next, we're actually going to apply our blush in the Orgasm from NARS Cosmetics. 6 minutes and 15 seconds, people. We're on a time limit. I may go over by 30 seconds or so. That is done using our Lise Watier lip liner in Natural. You're going to fill in our lips. One side was already done. And color them in. And when we were doing the eyeshadow and placing it onto the lid, we were patting the eyeshadow on, not to disturb the product. So lips are lined, it's been 7 minutes. Taking a MAC lip gloss, we're going to apply it onto the entire lip, like so. And then have a look at yourself in the mirror and make any tweaks or adjustments that you want. What I've noticed is that I need a little more gray eyeshadow in this area here to balance out the rest of my eye. So that is what I'm going to do. And I want to swirl it around a little more, almost like a C, and come around until I get the perfect shape. So, that being said, I reviewed this morning the Stila liquid eyeshadow. So, I've discovered this is an amazing product for lips. Maybe not for eyes, but for lips. Only thing left is to contour your cheeks, and you have the look in under 9 minutes. Thank you for choosing Trendy Hot Beauty. My name is Kenzie Craig Michaels. Please give this video a thumbs up, a like, and I will be back in a moment just to show you how you can pop your eye color with another brand of mass cosmetics. Stay tuned, NYX is coming up next. Cheers everyone, give this video a thumbs up, a like, and hit that subscribe button. Thanks you so much for watching this smoky eye demo. Bye.